Mother Ghost, Nursery Rhymes for Little Monsters by Rachel Kolar, illustrated by Ronald Garriguay. Boys and girls, come trick or treat. The moon is bright, the candy's sweet. Leave your houses and leave the light, and join the goblin folk in the night. Come with a whoop and come with a call. Come with brave hearts, or not at all. Up the walkway and to the door, hold out your sack with a monster roar. Howl and cackle and shout and cheer, because Halloween is finally here. If you enjoyed this book and want to explore more with me, hit the like and subscribe button. See you soon, explorers!